Do you know how to save a life in a critical situation? It might sound like a daunting question, but it's one that could make all the difference in an emergency. Today, we delve into the life-saving technique known as cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR. First things first, it's imperative to assess the scene. Safety comes first, not only for the person in need but for the rescuer as well. Ensure the area is safe before approaching, look out for traffic, fire, electrical hazards, or anything else that might pose a risk. Once the scene is safe, approach the person and check for responsiveness. Gently tap the person and ask loudly, "Are you okay?" If there's no response, it's time to call for help. Dial your country's emergency number. In the United States, that's 911. Relay the situation clearly and calmly to the operator. If an automated external defibrillator or AED is available, send someone to fetch it. While waiting for professional help, check the person's breathing. Watch their chest for any rise and fall. Feel for a breath on your cheek. If they're not breathing or if their breathing is irregular, it's time to start CPR. Start with chest compressions. Kneel by the person's side. Place the heel of one hand on the center of their chest and place the other hand on top. With your elbows locked and using your body weight, push hard and fast about 2 inches deep and at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the person's head back, lift their chin, pinch their nose and breathe into their mouth until you see their chest rise. If the chest doesn't rise, reposition the head and try again. After the 2 breaths, return to chest compressions. The cycle is 30 compressions and 2 breaths. Continue this cycle until help arrives or the person starts to breathe or move. In summary, the key steps of performing CPR are: 1. Assess the scene for safety. 1. Check responsiveness and call for help. 3. Check breathing. 4. Give chest compressions. 5. Deliver rescue breaths. 1. Continue CPR until help arrives or the person recovers. Knowing CPR could mean the difference between life and death in an emergency. It's a skill that everyone can learn and one that everyone should know. Remember, every second counts when saving a life. Stay calm, stay focused, and you could be someone's hero.